And I'm back again, and thank you for being back as well. So I have today a little recipe that I love. I said it before, I love slaw of any kind, and this is a very easy, very fast version, no mayonnaise, and this is the way we normally do it in Germany. And I hope you enjoy it. So this is what our beautiful slaw is gonna look like in the end. If you want, have a burger with it. This is a vegan chicken burger. You need half an onion, slice it finely, put it in a bowl, cabbage, finely sliced, salt, sugar, mustard, and I put some minced garlic in as well. Olive oil, apple cider vinegar. Then some toasted cumin seeds, put it in, and some black pepper. I actually forgot to put some carrot in. This is how I sliced it finely because I'm not using a kitchen machine. And stir it all in and let it sit for about half an hour or for 24 hours, and this is it. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope you like the recipe, and I promise I will be back in the next few days again. This time I'm making something with eggplant. God, I love eggplant. Bye bye.